Hey guys, it's me, Tictora. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a different video compared to the beauty content that I normally put out. But to be honest, if we're checking the climate, if we're checking the temperature, it's all gonna match up. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. So if you couldn't tell by the title already, I have a bag from Babalabags. This good Chanel-y, this good Chanel-y, okay? And if you're on social media, if you're alive, you know about the trade wars with China and the China manufacturers all coming to light and exposing how most of their bags are formulated, crafted in China, and then sent to wherever they need to be sent to for the final production. So Chanel, there was Birkin, there were the Birkin bags, even they were talking about the Nike shoes, the Jordans. If you're this, then you know we've been known, we have for a while, we've known that these bags come from China. These rich people, they're so rich that they might have a few authentics in their collection, but we know that half of that stuff is fake. Like, they have a real mix with the fake. And you know, in today's economy, can we talk about the political and economical state of the world right now?
Oh my god, like, can we talk about like the political and economic state of the world right now?
It's hard. So if you want to buy you a little fake bag, if you want to get you a little dupe or the real thing, now that we have been exposed, then definitely check them out. All the information is going to be down below, but I'm going to get into the video. This is what it looks like. Very pretty, very tea. She got a little strap. I said strap. You got a little, some space. There's a lot of storage in this bag, surprisingly. This goes open, but this is not a unboxing. Let's get into what's in my bag. So I have a couple of lip glosses. I have this NYX Fat Lip Oil in the shade Gloss Lip. Wait. In the shade Losing Control. And then I have this Juvia's Place lip oil. I hate this so bad. I really don't like this. It's so oily and it doesn't last. Like, it just doesn't do what a lip oil is supposed to do. I'm a makeup girly, so we know I have a powder puff. Yes, it's used. I've never cared. And I get oily, I get sweaty. So this is perfect to just blot those spots. And then I have a little Sour Punch. I went to my sister's house. If you guys don't know Roletta, she does makeup. I'm lying. Roletta's my hairstylist. She does everybody's hair. Book with her if you're ever in the Fort Lauderdale area. She's going to be in my maintenance vlog video. I'll tag it in the cards here. But she always has candy for everybody. And I literally took a whole bunch of candy. And she had the good candy, so now I have one left, so I'm really saving that. And then lastly, I just have my wallet. I'm literally just a girl. I don't have anything productive in my bag. Literally just a girl. This is what's in my bag. I look so cute. Listen, it's hard out here. Do what you want to do. Do what makes you happy. If you want to buy a little Chanel-y, a little Birkiana, a little YSL, do what you got to do. If you want the link to this bag, it's going to be down in the description, as well as the website link to this bag. You can also use this discount code, which is valid for all purchases, and you can get a little off your purchase, even though it's already affordable compared to like the real deal. I might not want to spend $1,200, $1,500, $3,000 on a purse. Babalabags, they got you covered. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I've posted a video on Monday. Today is Wednesday, and I will have that video up right here in the cards. It's a day in the life of a makeup artist, which we know that's what everybody's here for. So thank you again. Thank you again to Babalabags for gifting me this beautiful bag. And I will see you guys in the next video.